Hi student, Hare Krishna. So today Aitana Rajput is going to deliver lecture on phoneme. So let's proceed. Definition of phoneme. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in a word that makes a difference in its pronunciation as well as its meaning from another word. For instance, the S in soar distinguishes it from R in roar as it's become different from soar in pronunciation as well as its meaning. So here we have taken an example of 1984 written by George Orwell. It was a cold day in April and the clocks were striking 13. Winston Smith, his chin muzzled into his breast in an effort to escape the wild wind, slipped quickly through the glass doors of Victory Mansions, through not quickly enough to prevent a swirl of gritty dust from entering along with him. The underlying letters are I, B, D, S, I, W, S, and V, respectively. So let's find letters now. I from it, B from bright, D from day, double E from 13, S from Smith, C from chin, and from tho we get tha, and E from entering, H from him. The underlying letters are sounds of I, B, D, S that I, W, S, and V respectively. However, two phonemes have used aspirated diphthong sounds, tha in Smith and tha in tho. Smith, tha in Smith, and tha in tho. Okay. So what are diphthongs? Diphthongs are sound of two vowels. Is it clear? Function of phoneme. Phoneme. Phonemes carry distinct sound that differentiate one word from another. Counting them could be challenging for sounds are made of different ways and variations. Through phonemes, readers learn pronouncing words correctly and comprehending their meanings. Phonemes are an integral part of reading and listening, specifically in poetry, where they are very important to understand meter, which is solely based on stress pattern and phonemes. That is the reason that poets stress upon each phoneme to understand poetry, for it is a sure way to understand a word by pronouncing it loudly. So phonemes are integral part of reading and listening. Very important. So there are two types of phoneme which we'll study: vowel and consonant. What is phoneme? Phoneme is smallest unit of sound. You know how many phonemes are there? There are about 44 phonemes, out of which 20 are vowels and 24 are consonant sounds. 20 are there are about 44 phonemes, out of which 20 are vowel sounds and 24 are consonant sounds. Vowel sounds are derived from 5 vowels and consonant sound are derived from 21 consonants. Okay, 20 vowel sound are derived from 5 vowels and 24 consonant sounds are derived from 21 consonants. So there are about 44 phonemes. Now I think it is clear to you. Smallest unit of phoneme. Smallest unit of sound. Sorry. Smallest unit of sound is called phoneme. Morpheme, syntax, intonation. Let us first recall the definition. What is phoneme? Phoneme is smallest unit of sound like ch, p, th. Morpheme. Morpheme is the smallest meaningful unit in a language. Okay. So, what is syntax? Syntax is the structure of a language. Intonation. Intonation is the rise or fall in a tone. So, the right answer is phoneme. Okay. I think now it is clear to you. There are dash phonemes. So now see the numbers. 20 are number of vowel sounds. 24 are number of consonant sounds. These are vowel sounds. 20 are vowel sound. 24 are consonant sound. And 21 is number of consonant. Don't get confused. 44 is there are 44 phonemes. Okay. So the right answer will be 44, that is D. Subscribe Online Education 360 Degree. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment for similar videos. Spread happiness. Save Earth. Thank you, students. We'll see you next session. Stay happy, stay home.